Hi Lovelies, it's OC Craft here. For this video, I am going to share with you what's inside the Get Your Shtick Together, the Adulting Sticker Book. This book contains over 400 stickers made by 20 Filipino artists, and it is published by Summit Publishing Corporation Incorporated. I bought this book last year, January 2021, at Shopee Mall Summit Books for 450 pesos. To start, here is Abby C. contribution. It's more on a self-care, self-love theme in circle layouts. Best used for journaling. Now for our second artist is made by Bauza. Her theme is more on my favorite food like pancit canton, arroz caldo, champorado, eggs, rilis with rice, and many more. Now for our third artist is from Cara. Her contribution reminds me of the famous K-drama It's Okay Not to Be Okay. It also reminds me of the recent Davao couple prenup circulating on the social media during the Holy Week. Now for our fourth artist, it's coming from Chichi. Her contribution is more on kawaii food designs. Sa sobrang cute na mga design niya, ayokong gamitin. So aesthetic. Now our fifth artist is Christine Herin. Her contribution is more on a packaging design. As you can see, her design are very useful when sending packages. Functionality-wise, check. Our sixth artist is Millar. His contribution theme are more on a pet lover owner. If you are one of them, this one is for you. Our seventh artist is Dari Brillantes. Dari's contribution are more on a plant lover. If you are plantita or plantito, sure ako magugustuhan mo ito. Cute din ang mga animals na drawing nito. Our eighth artist is from googlygooeys. I saw them on Facebook during the first wave of the pandemic. They did FB Live and teaching everyone how to draw and make DIYs. She is more on a shapes design. Our ninth artist is from heimadi. Heimadi's contribution is so minimalist. It's a monographic design and it reminds me of a Japanese miniature toy. Going to our 10th artist is from jameseliayoung. His contributions are out of this world design. It is more on a futuristic or other dimension-ish with space gadgets and aliens. Our 11th artist is from Bauza. Her contribution is giving me some good vibes. It's more on a express yourself freely without limitations. #love it! Our 12th artist is from catmelo. Cat's contribution are more on gems and stones. At first, it's kind of weird for me not knowing what are these things. It's 2022 lang. Finally, I appreciate it kasi I was experiencing anxiety and finding some cure, wellness, temporary solution to get rid of it. Then I found the power of gems, stones, and the universe. Wow, so deep. 13th artist is Max Fidel. Max's contribution, I think, is more on his experience of having a cat and working at home. I'm just assuming, by the way. Now, this is crazy, but I think most of the cat owners will surely relate to these stickers. The 14th artist is from Paola Santos. Paola's contribution is so deep. By looking at it, I think it's her experience having an anxiety, seeing the world or life being alone, how to take care of oneself, and embracing the reality. The 5th artist is Ivy Berces. Ivy's contribution are more on a zodiac sign constellation. The 16th artist is Roccoruiz. Rocco's contribution is kinda unique. Its illustration is more on a monster fighter creatures. It reminds me of Trece, the first Filipino anime series shown on Netflix. The 17th artist is Robert A. Alejandro, also known as Kuya Robert at Art is School on GMA Network. I was watching him when I was young because I love watching drawing tutorials and DIY. His contribution are millennial streetwear fashion. The 18th artist is Roch. Roch's contribution are Filipino delicacies. Can you guess all of it? The second to the last artist is from Stay Cool Studio. Their contribution looks like kids' art imagination. Our last artist is Stanley. Stanley's contribution is about a girl working on a beachfront resto, missing her pre-pandemic life. So there you have it, lovelies. These are the designs inside this sticker book. Let me know who is your favorite artist. By the way, I have this dummy tumbler where I put some stickers on it. So let's choose some sticker in this book and stick it on the tumbler. By the way, this sticker book is made of a matte paper. It's not waterproof. Kaya take note, I'm just using my dummy tumbler for this. Tada! Here you go! So, meron tayong isaw at fishball or squid ball. So, I hope you like it, lovelies. And thank you for watching this video. Until next time, bye!